Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make black in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take fire. Then add water to it. It will make steam. Then take wind on other side. Then add wind to it. It will make tornado. Then add tornado to it. It will make hurricane. Then add steam to hurricane. It will make steamboat. Then take earth on other side. Then add water to it. It will make plant. Then add wind to it. It will make dandelion. Then add water to it. It will make wine. Then add wind to it. It will make balloon. Then add wine to it. It will make party. Then add party to steamboat. It will make jazz. Then take fire on other side. Then add earth to it. It will make lava. Then add water to it. It will make stone. Then add lava to it. It will make obsidian. Then add earth to it. It will make diamond. Then add obsidian to it. It will make onyx. Then add obsidian to it. It will make black. Voila! And that's how you make black in Infinite Craft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.